Hi everybody, we're designing our haunted house and today we're going to put on the roofing. I'm going to pick the roof that I like the best and try to visualize what my haunted house would look like. We have a gable roof, that's one of our options, flat roof, a lean-to roof, and a wave roof. So you're going to move the spider to show which one you would like for your haunted house. Just like we did with the flooring, we have to pay for each square foot because we're going to be actually putting material on top of the roof and that costs money. So it says over here on the right that roofing costs $3 per square foot, no matter which one you pick. Well, that means I'll be paying $3 for each square foot, but how do I figure out how much money I actually owe? Well, I do that by multiplying it by the area. That means if you look at this wave roof here, I have to figure out the area of that black part, which is the roof. And if you choose a different one, you'll need to find the area of that roof. I'm going to take a look at this roof now and figure out the area. It's not as complicated as it seems because what I have here is a square. This square is 9 by 10. Behind it, it's a little covered, but there's another square back there. That's actually the same size. It's also 9 by 10. Behind that, there's another square that is also 9 by 10. So I just need to do 9 by 10 3 times, and then I'll have the area of this particular roof. So 9 times 10 is 90. And this one is also 9 times 10, which is 90 feet squared. And this one is 9 times 10, which is 90 feet squared. So I'm just going to add up 90 plus 90 plus 90, or you could do 90 times 3. And then I'll have the total area of my roof. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 9 plus 9 plus 9. That is the area of my roof. It is 270 feet squared. That's how many square feet I have to cover. Then every single one of those square feet is going to cost $3, so I need to multiply 270 times 3. So if you're doing this roof, you would go ahead and use any strategy you want. Do 270 times 3, and that'll tell you how much money you spent on the roof, and then you're finished with this page.